Hey folks, went ahead and picked up the iPhone 14 Pro. Saw someone at a brewery that had it, thought it looked nice, and kind of fell into peer pressure, but I ordered it. Let's take a look at the unboxing, and then I'm going to try to do an initial setup to showcase hopefully how the eSIM setup works. I already have the eSIM set up on the iPhone 13, and I am just going to hopefully be able to transfer everything seamlessly. Let's check out what's in the box. Okay, it's actually taped on the bottom here so the box doesn't fully come up. Just gonna be quiet and let do the unboxing and give my commentary later. Okay, cool. So that was like the unboxing, and let's see if we can set this up right. Quick start. Bring your iPhone near this iPhone to set up. Set up new iPhone. Okay, I just scanned it there. Getting things ready. Continue on your other phone. Tells me what to do. Put in the passcode and it's working. So hopefully the eSIM transferred. I'd already set up the eSIM on this iPhone 13. And I'm just banking that it transfers successfully, and I'm on Verizon. Transfer phone numbers. You have 2 phone numbers available to transfer. eSIM. Once iPhone is transferred, it will stop working on your other phone. Confirm transfer goes here. Double click to confirm. Activating in this box. Cellular setup complete. That was cool. That was fast. So they put this thing, going back to the case, can't even come out. It just literally says push it in. So that's the end of this case. Let's finish the setup. Face ID. I'm going to try and do this right now. Okay, well that was weird. While setting up Face ID, it reset. Let's do it again. Alright, so someone at the iPhone store told me about this. I think I have to transfer directly from iPhone. Also got the new iWatch. I'll be making that unboxing in the next video with the setup. Make this your new iPhone. Apps and data, cool. Siri settings, Apple Wallet. So I'd expect the transfer process to do this seamlessly instead of having to authenticate twice, but that's okay. I think the first one was for cellular and activating the phone. Time remaining. So I had a bunch of videos that I had taken, photos, text, hopefully transfers, and I had some, authenticators, wallets, stuff of that nature. So hopefully this transfers smoothly, but that is kind of the end of this recording segment. And I'll do some takeaways after this finishes setting up. So I had about a 2 hour wait time that I am still waiting on actually in the time of this recording. It seems to be transferring fine, but I wanted to just record and do voiceover of a little bit of size comparison. So I think they pretty much feel exactly the same with the case on. The one on the left is iPhone 13 Pro with the leather case. After about 8 months use, it's kind of weared off. And then I got this, I was actually upsold on it. I was going to get silicone because I didn't like the leather, but I ended up getting the leather for the iPhone 14 Pro. And hey, look at the time on the devices. It's 11:11. Make a wish, everyone. But yeah, they pretty much feel exactly the same on hand. So obviously, I'll spend more time using it and maybe leave some comments on how it feels. But for the most part, you could expect the same type of size and profile from both of these devices and from the camera bumps. Another comparison I wanted to quickly do is maybe just see if anyone could tell the difference between these devices just from waking them up. Very subtle, but definitely, at least on a black background, hard to kind of tell which one's which. Even if I bring it closer, if you haven't noticed by now, it's the lock screen showing the dynamic island where there is no lock indicator on the iPhone 13 Pro. Now, comparing colors and light and natural lighting, this is A6000 with just a desk lamp kind of showcasing. So I'll just show you how the lighting feels. If people who don't use cases want to consider this color, this is the only one I have. The previous one was the Alpine Green. And of course, as I mentioned earlier, the phone basically kind of looks the same, size the same, feels the same. Of course, one of the main differences will be the action camera and the dynamic island. But for the most part, seems cool. One thing I noticed was the dimming properties while I was transferring. It said there was about a minute left, but as you can see from the timestamp and speeding it up, it actually took about 2 minutes. But besides that, it finally got done. You can see it's 11:58 if you were tracking the timestamps on my phone. It took a minute, but it's finally done. And the new iPhone 13 should be set up. So if you've been using this as a guide, this should help you guys kind of get started and transferring the eSIM. It actually restarts the device, and my old device was working. It asked me if I wanted to delete it. It was actually 300 gigabytes that was transferred. But yeah, for the most part, you could transfer this over and you guys should be good to go. And the device should finally load after it restarts. It was really concerning it was so dim when restarting, but as you can see here, everything loads up and things should be good to go after you set up. So yeah, really that's my unboxing and impressions. Device seems pretty much good. I'm excited to check out what I could do with the action camera and stuff of that nature. So until I make my Apple Watch unboxing, I gotta record and edit that, but I'll see you guys in the comments and in my future videos. Thanks for subbing. Bye.